Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can view Snapchat message without opening them. So it's pretty simple. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's start this video without any further ado. So watch this video until the end without skipping if you guys want to view somebody's Snapchat message without them knowing, so like basically without opening them. So for this, go to your chat. Now remember, you need to hold on their bitmoji and then swipe right. Now hold on their bitmoji and swipe right using another finger. So remember, the finger which you are holding, do not release it like this. Like slowly slide, you can read their message, right? Do not slide fully, okay? Like do not open this window fully, just open it half. So as you guys can see, I can read his message fully like this. Then after reading his message, I can just swipe over here and it says I haven't read his message. It still says new chat. So like this, swipe using another finger now. Do not open the screen fully, okay? Just like this. Now you can read the message, and after doing this, just swipe left again and the screen closes. Like if you tap on it and read it, it's gonna show received to him. So that's basically how you view Snapchat message without opening and the other person knowing. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem. And until then, peace out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.